Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. I have here the Huawei Band 9, and one of its main health feature is the sleep monitoring. As you can see here, the wearable has an automatic sleep tracking. As you can see here, there is too much movement, the band won't be able to detect the sleep. So there are some features here. As you can see, automatic sleep monitoring. You can put a schedule also if you want. And of course, the result of the sleep monitoring will be compared with the Galaxy Fit 3. So I'm interested to see whether they have the same record. And of course, we also have here the Xiaomi Smartband 8. I'm going to wear all of these wearables simultaneously and see if we'll have a closer result, especially if for the Huawei Band 9. I'm interested to see the metrics that will show. I want to see the deep sleep as well as the light sleep and the REM sleep, and of course the sleep time. So we are going to check on that, as well as I'm going also to show you some data of the sleep monitoring of the Huawei Band 9 as well as the Galaxy Fit 3 and the Xiaomi Smartband 8. So if you have any questions regarding the sleep function of the Huawei Band 9, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Here is our first graph, the sleep score. So we recorded the first day and the second day of the Huawei Band 9. And we compare it with our Xiaomi Smartband 8 as well as the Galaxy Fit 3. As you can see here, there's a huge difference on the second day. But for the first day, there's a bit closer with the Xiaomi Smartband 8. But still far with the Galaxy Fit 3 for its first day as well as the second day. Okay, so the next graph is for the light sleep, and as you can see here, different records or different data for the first and second day. The Galaxy Fit 3 recorded at least more than 4 hours of light sleep, while for the Huawei Band 9 we have at least 3 hours, and for the second day we only have 2 hours and 7 minutes. While for the Xiaomi Smartband 8 we have 2 hours and 9 minutes for the first day and 3 hours and 9 minutes for our second day. So it is very different for the Smartband 8 as well as the Galaxy Fit 3 fitness tracker. Next is our deep sleep, and as you can see here, very different results both for first day and second day if you compare it with the Galaxy Fit 3 as well as the Xiaomi Smartband 8. For the Galaxy Fit 3, it only recorded 47 minutes as well as 18 minutes for our first day, while for the Xiaomi Smartband 8 we have 2 hours and 5 minutes for first day and 2 hours and 6 minutes for the second day. Our Huawei Band 9 recorded at least more than an hour and a half of deep sleep for the first day and 1 hour and 22 minutes for the second day. Next is our REM sleep. So here is our REM sleep or REM sleep, the rapid eye movement sleep. And for our first day we have 1 hour and 7 minutes for the Galaxy Fit 3, while for our Huawei Band 9 we have 1 hour and 22 minutes. 1 hour and 1 minute for our Smartband 8, Xiaomi Smartband 8. While for the second day, it is much closer to other wearables, especially to the Smartband 8 with 1 hour and 8 minutes for our Huawei Band 9, while for our Xiaomi Smartband 8 we have 1 hour and 2 minutes, almost 1 hour. Also for our Galaxy Fit 3 for the second day. For the first day, we have 1 hour and 7 minutes compared with the 1 hour and 22 minutes with the Huawei Band 9. Okay, as you can see here, we also recorded our third day just to show you the graph and other information about the Huawei Band 9 sleep monitoring. And of course, we also compare it with other wearables. So we have here the Huawei Band 9, we have 7 hours and 21 minutes. While for the Galaxy Fit 3, we only have 5 hours and 53 minutes. While for the Xiaomi Smartband 8, we have 7 hours and 30 minutes. They have almost the same results with our Huawei Band 9. Based on the data here, there's a similarity when it comes to the results for the light sleep between the Huawei Band 9, the Huawei Band 9 and the Xiaomi Smartband 8 compared with the Galaxy Fit 3. I think there's a huge difference with the Galaxy Fit 3 as it recorded the wake time separately, as you can see here. For our Huawei Band 9, although it shows the awake time, but it did not state or it did not total the time for the awake time, the same with the Xiaomi Smartband 8, unlike the Galaxy Fit 3. Again, this video is for comparison only of the Huawei Band 9 sleep monitoring. Compared it with the Xiaomi Smartband 8 as well as the Galaxy Fit 3. I'm not here to state if which is far more accurate when it comes to sleep tracking. I just want you to know, or I just want to show the data on the Huawei Band 9 and see the difference between other wearables. Bye!